In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your date and time settings on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the left panel, you want to select time and language. And then on the right side, select versus date and time. If you scroll down underneath set time automatically, you want to toggle that to the off position and then select the change button to go ahead and change that. Click inside these fields, select the correct date and time, and then select change to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.